So in this video, I'm going to expand on the value post and how you can use Jarvis AI to help you curate more engagement and bring value posts that will attract your dream customer and eventually get them back into your email list, right? So we can use the engaged questions or the long form assistant. So let's go with the long form assistants. We're going to do start from scratch. And then what I like to do is I like to do the problem, agitate, solve, and then just use the problem, agitate, and then I like to do tips about that. So let's say we're doing keto, right? I'm gonna ask Jarvis. So either I'll do the problem, agitate, solve, and we can just expand on that, or you can grab something from the web and just rewrite it. Say you're in the keto niche or the health niche, you could drop some keto recipes or something like that. Yeah, the problem with this is I don't know anything about keto. So obviously you want to pick groups that you are aware of and that you have at least some track record and actually help people. So the whole goal of this is to either offer an affiliate product or offer some consulting or done for you service, something high ticket. I think it's a lot easier. And with Facebook organic and you showing up day after day, it will eventually pay off. Within a couple weeks, people will start recognizing you. So here's some tips about keto. And then we could actually make all of these into posts. It just keeps going. So I'm gonna try and tie all this together. So realistically, you wanna hook somebody, you wanna make sure that you get their attention for the headline, and then you go through it with a little story, and then you provide them the solution. Hook, story, offer. So our offer is hopefully our call to action. I wouldn't put a call to action on somebody else's Facebook group really, but people are going to contact you through the comments and PM. So it works out really well. You know, this is awesome. Keto diet track. And you can ask Jarvis to write you a short story. You know, your call to action could be check out this YouTube video about ketosis, right? So the whole goal of here is to provide content for other groups, and then people will naturally see you as an authority figure, and they want to get to know you even more, and they'll jump back onto either your Facebook group or your Facebook profile. You're going to start making relationships and building like, know, and trust. And this is a great example of a value post. Another great way to do this is actually go to Answer Socrates and start grabbing questions. 80% of the people are looking for front-end, beginner-level stuff. And then the 20%, it really doesn't get a lot of traction. So you putting out beginner-level stuff, it'll attract those people. And at a high level, you can help them. These people are already in the Facebook group, and they already know that they have the problem. And all you have to do is provide them with the solution. This is like a little shortcut because these people are already congregated together, and our goal is to control that traffic, get them in our Facebook group and our email list. And we could start knocking out some of these questions. We can throw these questions and answers in, our group. So I took this question, right? So we can use Jarvis actually to go and provide the answer and the question for us, basically, you know what I mean? Well, we can use the Quora questions here. This is something I was using earlier. And this is going to provide the answer. And you can use this for Quora to get, even more traffic. So there's 40 plus templates that will help you get more content. It's going to double your content production. And if you've got a blog or anything else, this is the tool you need. So you could tailor these answers to your product or your service. Realistically. So like legitimately any of these questions you could tailor. It might take 5 minutes, but you can tailor these questions and answers to whatever you're trying to do. Let's go back to templates. But this is the Jarvis AI dashboard, and there's so many different frameworks and scripts that you can use. They just came out with the recipes. So I've been going and creating these, right? This is like the email outreach. I got native ads. I got a sales letter formula. So what I didn't know was that they only give you 15 of these recipes. So I put down every formula I could think of in my swipe file basically, and I had way too many. So I had my YouTube script, my video sales letter, and my landing pages, and all those recipes, and I noticed that they were cut off last night. But so you only get 15 of those. I'm going to give you some of those scripts down below as well, and make sure I leave the resources down below as well. So if you got any questions about that for the value post or anything, let me know in the comment section.